5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What a shame. I was hoping a future Miss Universe was going to step through the door.
If you guys were invited for a free party and a celebrity or a most popular person has hosted the party, do you guys attend it or deny it? Of course not. If I get any invitation for a free party and knowing that it is hosted by a well-known person, I will attend it without missing. Do you guys know that on June 28, 2009, at the University of Cambridge, Professor Stephen Hawking hosted a party with champagnes, balloons, and with some tasty dishes, but anyone has not attended. What do you think? Why do anyone has not attended the party? And that is a party hosted by the great physicist. Do you know why? Because anyone has not got the invitation, and anyone didn't know that Stephen Hawking has hosted the party. And why did the invitation were not distributed, or why do anyone did not get the invitations? This is because the invitations were given or distributed after the party has finished. What do you guys think? Why do Stephen Hawking has released this invitation after the party? Because he has hosted the party only for the time travelers. It is like an experiment to know whether time travel is possible or not. Wow! Now after knowing that hosting a party is conducting an experiment, then I am conducting an experiment for my every birthday. Just kidding. Yeah, now coming to our main topic, how do hosting a party is conducting an experiment to know whether time travel is possible or not. Stephen Hawking released the invitation after the party because if any time traveler would receive the invitation in any future, that they would travel back in time and attend the party, so he didn't send out any invitations until the party is over. And that's the reason why anyone has not attended the party. He also provided the coordinates of the location in invitation to avoid confusion while arriving for party, and also named the party as Time Travelers Party. And in 2012, at Seattle Science Festival, Professor Hawking told that I have experimental evidence that time travel is not possible. I gave a party for time travelers, but I didn't send out the invitations until after the party. I sat there as a long time, but no one came. If time travel may possible, it leads to some paradoxes. To know about these time travel paradoxes, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, or else you might miss some interesting updates.